European Union that we know it today is different from the one that it was in 1957, and the European Union of the future will be different from the European Union that is today. The European Union that you will enter will be different than the one it is today. And that's why we all need to discuss the future of the European Union, including the countries who are aspiring to join. But ambitious steps also are expected from the countries of the Western Balkans, which have a clear perspective of becoming members of the European Union.
There is no dilemma among Western Balkan countries and their people that the EU is the only future, a future we need to work hard to get to, a future we need to convince everybody within EU that we belong to.
The integration in the European Union is the only possible common future for the Western Balkan countries and for the European Union as well.